I'm so groovy. I am Pluto. No forget. Okay. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. I just bought it. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Oh, that's your bitch. I just bought it. First I'm out of, plain jacket. I just fuck the face, Lord name. Tom Brady, Tony Snow. I just backed up with your hoe. Go and break that joy. I just suicide my nose. Candy yells in the fire, man. Living like a nigga know. I just couldn't let me breathe. Baby, you love my sleep. Heard my codeine. Like that I with my ring. You ain't never gonna see me. I can tell it in my car. High fashion, John Madden, biceps, no relation. All the jet, 60K, all the pound, in my head. Steve Cigar, hard kill, suck the gauze, hide the broad. She Photoshop, photo chick. I just picked the bitch. Service box, made it to the top, What's going pop, I'm so groovy. I got power. No forget. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. I just girl, she did that. She did the job. Y'all, people from Ottawa, you already know. You already know. Go look at her, okay? Period.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride it, got it. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride it, got it. Gotta watch the time. I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sudden adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I'd rather see my heart turn chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a guy on mission. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on traveling, baby.
So babes, here's are my nails. They are so beautiful, so cute. And can you imagine that those are my real nails? Like there's no tip. Those are really my real nails. It grows so much. Like I don't even know how, but I really love my nail shop because they're just doing it amazing, amazing, amazing. Every time I come, like they never disappoint. Never, 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 never. And what I also like about this nail shop is that it lasts. Like your nails will last, babe. It will last. It's just so cute. So yeah, very simple, you know. It's just giving me this grown look. So yeah. Hello, welcome. I don't even know if I told you welcome before, because I feel like I didn't talk a lot in this vlog because I was always running late. But now I have time to talk, just to sit down and to let you know what's up, what's going on. So as you know, I got my lashes done and also got my nails done a few days ago. Now we are the day before I leave. I have to pack my suitcase and I clean all my room. Like my room, y'all, I did a deep cleaning. Like I cleaned my room because listen, so I'm sorry, my mom called me, so I wasn't able to finish what I was saying before, and I completely forgot what was I saying before. But I think I was complaining, right? Was I complaining? I don't remember. But yes, so basically I cleaned all of my room. I am happy, y'all, because this room, it was something. And I don't know if it's just me, but every time before I travel, okay, even if it's only 2 days before I travel, I always make a mess. But this time I was like, hold on, let me make a mess and let me clean up, okay? So when I would come back, I would just go on my bed and lay down. I want to tell you where am I going, but I still want to keep this how do you say it? The suspense. I'm not gonna let you know where am I going. You will see, because I will definitely do a travel vlog. This one, it's only like a prep vlog to show you guys how I get ready and all that stuff. But yes, so now I have to pack. Yeah, this part is always stressful to me. Packing, it's always stressful because I always know that I'm missing something. Or when I arrive at the destination, I'll be like, oh my god, I missed this, I missed that. Like I always forget something. This time, hopefully not, because listen, we ain't doing it. We ain't doing it, right? We ain't doing it. So yes, I will have to pack. As you can see some clothes already in my bed. I will have to pack it to put it in my suitcase, and after that I will do my hair. But for my hair, I'm actually gonna get my hair done where am I going, so my hair it'll only be for like a few days. After that I will get my hair done. So I'm gonna try something new with my hair. The only thing that I'm scared, it's my forehead, y'all. I'm gonna try to do, is it a leave out? I don't know if it's a leave out, but it's a U part wig, V part wig, U part wig. I don't really know the name, but I'm gonna try something new, because gluing a wig down with the heat, it's not happening. It's not happening. So I'll try this U part / leave out / V part. I don't know how people call it, but I'm gonna try it out to see. I'm just scared because my forehead is big. Like my forehead would be exposed. But listen, I can't do anything about it, right? So I just have to work with it, right? So yes, I feel like I'm out of breed. I wanted to tell you guys other stuff, but I completely forgot. Oh yes, and earlier, I don't know if I filmed this part, but earlier I went to do my PCR test. I was so stressed, y'all, because usually you have to go in quarantine, right? Like 2 to 3 days before. Just, you know, stay safe, precaution. But every time I tried to start my quarantine, people were coming in and out. Like, I was just like, y'all, I want PCR to be negative. And it was negative, so I'm pretty happy. Anyway.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be what I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, yeah, I'll give you a clear mind. Might get you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful.
So guys, here is the end of this vacation prep vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.